Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance, guys. So that may answer your questions or clear your doubts regarding some situation. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Sun, Two of Spheres in reverse, and Burning Tower in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe there are certain things you are not clear about. Maybe you are someone talented and skilled, you work in a particular way, you have your ideals, and you have certain rules for yourself and you work towards that. But maybe the people who work with you, they are not like you, guys. Maybe they are not talented enough like you and they may lack certain skills. So that may be the reason for something that is holding you back, something causing some troubles or some stressful situation today. And maybe you are seeing some changes happening, something you're wishing that it stops, but you have no way of changing it. Maybe it is taking you towards some readjustment in your life. You are changing your ways, changing the way you work, or changing your behavior, or changing yourself for this relationship, and it is not easy on your part. So the outcome may be something positive, you feel, because you have a lot of pain, you're going through a lot of pain today, a stress today, and you may see even some financial loss in your situation. But though it is painful, really stressful, and a formidable obstacle you need to face, but you have some hope or glimpses of hope in your heart that things will fall into place, guys. So maybe these changes may look like something painful, guys, but they are needed, or they are the catalyst for unfolding some kind of a positive future or a bright hopeful future for you. So things are aligning, your circumstances are becoming more positive, happy. So maybe in this relationship you are making some changes for yourself, or you're going through a very tough time finding that adjustment, finding peace and harmony with this other person, finding that friendship with this other person. But if you can hold on, if you can weather these storms, weather these changes happening in your circumstances, guys, you are going to come out really triumphant, Pisces. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So, for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So, when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering, maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease, you don't know what to do, you feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So, instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So, this self sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness. And maybe in the long run, you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.